Welcome back to the iGaming channel, brought to you by the Casino Marketing Shop. Today we're showing you how to start a casino affiliate website in 60 seconds. First, choose your niche, slots, sports betting or live casino, to target a clear audience. Next, secure a domain and reliable hosting, then install a user-friendly CMS like WordPress. Now join reputable affiliate programs and grab your unique tracking links. Create high-value content. Game reviews, bonus guides, and comparison posts optimized for SEO keywords like best online slots. Design your site for mobile and fast loading, with clear calls to action directing visitors to casinos. Set up analytics and tracking to monitor clicks, registrations, and conversions. Launch promoted campaigns via SEO, social media, and email outreach. Then A/B test landing pages and headlines to improve results. Finally, scale what works, reinvesting profits in more content and traffic. Ready to build your affiliate empire? Contact our experts at casinomarketing.shop for a full site blueprint and hands-on support. Let's get your site live and earning.